This short animated story video has got 5 million views in a year. In this video, I'm going to try to start somewhat similar YouTube channel like this using only AI. So in this video, I'm going to create everything using AI, whether it is script writing, visuals, or voiceovers, and more. I was just scrolling down on YouTube, looking for some ideas for channel automation. And then I found this channel, which makes videos on short motivational stories. After doing some research, I did found the yearly income of this guy generates, and I get shocked. So let's make our channel. Now we have our channel created, and it's time to do some branding for our channel. So I came over ChatGPT and asked for 30 short motivational stories channel ideas. So I have got so many cool names, but here I chose mine, one Uplifted Tales, and I kind of like this one. Now for logo, I'm using Lexica AI tool, which is just amazing AI-based tool. Here you will get so many AI-based avatars, but I'm going to search here for cartoon face characters, and yeah, got so many results, and I'm going to choose this one and download it. Now after this, we need a channel art, and for that I'm going to use Canva. Hurrah! The channel branding is all done with AI. Now the real challenge is making videos. So first of that, you have to select niche on which you want to make videos, or you can ask ChatGPT for some niches. In my case, I have selected mine already as short motivational stories. And now I came over ChatGPT again and searched short motivational stories and got so many results, but I'm going to choose this one here, The Power of Kindness. I pretty much like this. And now
all you have to do is just copy it. And the next step is to create the voice, and for that I'm using 11 Labs. I'm going to use this tool because it's free and using advanced AI technology to generate voices like a real person. And now all you have to is just paste the story which you have created and copied from ChatGPT. And now select whichever voice you want. And once you have selected the voice, click here and download it.
Once it's done downloading, just go for Pictory.ai and create a free account. After signing up, click on this one here. Edit videos using text, and click on Proceed, and now upload the audio that you have just downloaded from 11 Labs. Click on Proceed, and it's going to take a little time. Click on Customize Video. Now you can see that AI has written the subtitles. And now you have to click on Visuals and search for whatever scenes you want in your video. Once you have selected your scene, click on Generate Video and download it.
Once upon a time, there was a young man who worked at a factory. His mentor, an old technician, taught him to talk less, do more, and never stop developing his skills in every aspect of the factory's operations.
The Power of Kindness. A young girl named Mia faces bullying and exclusion at school. Despite the hurtful treatment, she chooses to respond with kindness and compassion towards her bullies. Over time, her kindness inspires others, and the bullies realize the error of their ways. They apologize and become friends with Mia. The story demonstrates the transformative power of kindness and forgiveness, showing how it can heal wounds, build connections, and create positive change.
Now we need to create a thumbnail for the video. So for that, I'm going to use Lexica AI and Canva. On Lexica AI, I have searched The Power of Kindness and found these results, and I'm going to choose this one here and download now. Came back to Canva and create a thumbnail using this animation avatar. Now to upload the video, we need description and title. For that, paste the story and ask ChatGPT to generate the title and description, and boom, everything is done by AI. Now go to your channel, upload the video, paste the title and description, upload the thumbnail and publish the video, and congratulations, your channel is ready to go live. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.